Hey, welcome in. You're listening to the daily version of the Cortland Economics Report. I'm Al Cortland. Appreciate you joining me. This audio for Friday is being produced exclusively for my friends at Kitco. Got a new guest on our audio segment here today, someone who hasn't been on, at least with me, before, and it's David Bond. Let me tell you a little bit about David. David lives over in the Silver Valley. David is one of the originators of the Silver Summit, where John Nadler of Kitco is going to be speaking at the upcoming show in October. David is really one of the, in my opinion, experts when it comes to what's going on in silver. That's his passion. That's been his passion for quite some time right now. He is very, very involved in the Silver Valley Mining Association, and I wanted to get his opinion on what's going on right now in the silver market, because it is interesting. Silver continues to escalate in price. As we're recording here, it's $38.93. You see it going any higher there, Mr. B?
Well, yes, I do, Al, and thanks for having me on your show today.
Pleasure. Why?
Yes, I do, and I'll tell you why. Remember, we had the drive-by shooting back at the end of April that tossed silver down from nearly $50 to, I think it got as low as $28, crawling at wall of worry way back up. As is gold, you've got same factors in play in the market. You got craziness in the Eurozone, the impasse with the President and Congress over the debt ceiling and all of that. Silver is an irreplaceable metal.
Silver is,
I have long held that until silver gets to the price of platinum, now it's $780, it's got nowhere but headroom.
David, why do you say that? I mean, you talk about the irreplaceable metal, etc. Why do you see it going as high as $700? That's
well, and I'm not saying it will, but what I'm saying is that you remember all these years we had talk of there was going to be a substitute for silver in photography and in industrial uses. The only thing that can really replace silver, and I'm not talking about photography now because digital has washed that out.
Yeah. As
an industrial commodity, the only thing that can replace silver is palladium.
Yeah.
In terms of its conductivity, reflectivity, yada yada yada.
Yeah.
So, and I think we're heading for a big squeeze in the market. J.P. Morgan Stanley, which is hugely short silver, tries to cover. I think their short covering is probably what's driving the current upward momentum. I don't really see a top to it yet. It's hardly frothy. If you go back to 1980 when it hit $50 right now, in relation to that, it's about $19.
I have to agree with you 100%. And one of the reasons I say that is because as an investment, okay, and I consider silver and gold to be investments, okay, and by that I mean long-term investments. And I like silver better than gold for a couple of reasons. Number one, it is an industrial metal in addition to being a precious metal. Point number one. Point number two, silver's trading right now a skosh under $40 an ounce. I like the leverage. It strikes me that it would be much easier for the price of an ounce of silver to double than it would be for the price of an ounce of gold to double. And that's one of the reasons that Kathy and I, the little blonde lady, and I buy physical, and I'm just no question about that. Okay, I appreciate your comments. We're going to be talking more about the Silver Summit in the months ahead. This is one that if there is any possibility that you guys can join us all over in Spokane, it's a great place to go. We're going to be back.
Al, you helped make it a great show, and we're looking forward to having you guys back.
Thank you so much. Going to be back with you guys on Monday.